Hi, my name is Cecile. I just quickly want to show you how to create a splash page with All-in-One Profits. You log into your All-in-One Profits back office, then you go to Splash Builder. Then you click Splash Pages. There's some tutorials there that you can look at as well. For this one, I'm just gonna call it Test. You can call it call mine All-in-One Profits 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I see what works and where people sign up, and then I use the one that gives me the most sign-ups. Okay, videos. I'm going to do a video squeeze page. You selected there video squeeze page, and then you add update template. Then you scroll down to the bottom again and go back to edit pages. Okay, so the splash page I want to show you is this one. This is the splash page we're going to create now. Okay, you give your splash page a title, then a short description about the splash page. You can use keywords so the search engines can pick it up. Okay, now we're looking at the main background color. I'm going for black. You can select your own color. You can play around with it and see what works. Then the body background color. This one, the one I showed you now, is blue. I think I must go for a. Let me see if I go for a green now. Okay, the border color is the border around your squeeze page. You can also you can leave it without it, but let's leave it. Let's say border color, no border color, so I can show you. Okay, URL. This is now if you want to add a video. So if you promote anything, doesn't matter if it's All-in-One Profits or another business. If you've got a presentation or video you want to show people, just go to YouTube and find it there. For this one, I'm using a song. I want to see how it works if I put in just a song. It's What Are You Waiting For? Okay, so you just simply click on it. If it opens and it starts to play, don't worry about that. It won't show the ad in the video. Or on your splash page, copy your copy the link at the top. You can close it, paste it there. You must leave it on autoplay on. You can put it off while you're creating it, because especially if you view the page a couple of times, but you must put it on when you finish with it. So when someone opens the page in a save list or whatever, the video will start playing. Okay, now you need an autoresponder code. That is, if they put their name and their email, that's the first message they're going to get. So in the previous videos, I showed you how to create an autoresponder. So go to autoresponder message. And now we created the one for the real team. We created the All-in-One Profits, the normal one, the one for All-in-One Profits, and then okay, this one is for members. So once someone signs up, you put them there so they can get all the information and you can talk to them, and you know they are paid members. So I'm going to go with All-in-One Profits with Cecile, and I'm going to go next to it. You must click go next to it to activate the campaign at the top. If the name is there, you know you're in the right campaign. Then you go to prospects and you go down to HTML form, because this is the form for that autoresponder messages. You can choose some of these. If you would like to use them, but I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to show you how to do this one. So you can either have it that up to there, or you can, if you've got Gravatar, you can add a picture. Okay, or a photo of yourself. I like to add a photo. so people know that who they're working with. So for this one, I want a black one. I want it must be black on the blue or on the green. It depends on what color I did choose at the end. Okay, so it's going to be black. Transparent, no. If you put it yes and you type, you've got a let's say a white background and your text is white, people won't be able to see the name in the email. It will just be blank and 2 blocks. So I'll leave it on no. Text color, I want it white. Then the button color, you can choose any color. I'm going with red. The button text color, white. I'm going to put it on white. And then sign up, I want to put it get started today. And then the layout, you can decide, do you want the name and this layout like this, or do you want it like this? I want it like this. I'm putting it in. If you don't have a Gravatar, you can just simply click then create it. It's really simple steps to get it done. So I put my Gravatar email and I want my name, and I'm going to click generate HTML form. Okay, so there's my form, there's my code. If you're happy with it, save this form. Click on save this form. Okay, once you've saved it, you can come back to HTML form and it will be right at the bottom. Right at the bottom of the page. Okay, so there it is. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to select all, copy it, go to your splash page, paste it, and it's there. I'm just going to click on update settings so you can see now what our page looks like. Scroll down to the bottom, there it is. Okay, so that's the form. Now if they put their name and their email in it and I click on get started and then they will get that that autoresponder messages. Okay, so we're finished with that part. Headline text, if you go back to the top, it will show you your header 1 picture, there's the border color, that's your autoresponder form, and then if you want to add something else, but there you can get exactly what to put where. So my headline text, I want to give you paychecks, because we promote for our downline and they will make money and we make money. So I'm going to say I want to give you paychecks. Are you ready to work with me and a real team to create a residual income for you and your family? Potential in 365 days. If you promote all-in-one profits, if you can just get one person per month and they each get one, and it's easy because we promote for our downline, you can make $27,000 residual income after 12 in your month 13 without doing nothing in your month 13. So just sign up one person a month and you can do this. Okay, and then replace paid members. I'll just do this. Or you can say I will promote your link, or but we are a team. We place paid members now down and we promote for each other. Okay, I'm going to do the color impact, the size impact, and then I'm going to center this. 48 I think is too big, but let's try it. Okay, and this size I'm also going to go with impact, and I want to see if I put it 36 what it looks like. Click on update template. Okay, so there it is. There's no border colors, can you see it? Let me just put in some borders. Let me see if I put a black border in. We said no border. Let me say normal and go down and update settings. You must update your settings every time. Okay, you see now there's a border in it. I actually want this all in one row. Let me just see if I do it a little bit. What size did I use? 36. Let's see if I use 24. Yeah, I think it's going to be too small. Yeah, that's too small. I want it a little bit, it must be bigger. I'm going to make this in 24, and I'm going to do the days on 24. Let me just see what it looks like now. Update settings. Awesome, now it's there. Potential residual income in 360. Okay, so there it is. Now what we can do, if you don't like, if you've done this with me and you don't like the color or the green, you can do it. This is, I don't know what this is gonna look like. Put it red. Yo, okay, you can do it red too. You can. This actually doesn't look too bad. Okay, so you can decide what color you want it, and then just simply update settings. Okay, now we're gonna track. Use this link to track. So go to your splash pages. You just create a test. So you select that one, that full link next to it. Oh. And you go to tracker. Now you add your title. You can say all-in-one profits, and then you put that long URL here, and you click on add URL. There's your tracking link. You can just go back, and there's your link. So if you promote this link in SafeList and traffic exchanges, it will track your links. So if you okay, this is now the first one I set up. Some changes now. Okay, but if you select that, then you can, if you promote in SafeList, you can click in Show Stats. And then it will give you your traffic statistics. It will show where the people from which countries are clicking it, and then the traffic resources. It will say you've got so many clicks for this from the SafeList and that SafeList and this safe from all this different SafeLists. It will tell you exactly. You can also share your link on Facebook or Twitter or Google+. It's all up to you. Thank you for watching.